a newly built home situated on a premium corner lot within the long-awaited up-and-coming Seaton community of North Pickering. Welcome to 2419 Moonlight Crescent. Featuring a front entry door with transom and sidelights, as well as a west-facing covered front porch, both the main and upper levels feature numerous upgrades and have large windows and a soft, neutral decor that give the home an airy, light-filled atmosphere throughout. The main level showcases 9-foot smooth ceilings, 7.5-inch engineered hardwood flooring, as well as open concept principal rooms that are well suited for intimate gatherings or for large-scale entertaining. The generously sized living room has a gas fireplace and also features upgraded framing, power, cabling, and conduit for a wall-mounted TV. The kitchen showcases upgraded cabinetry and quartz counters and also features brand new stainless steel appliances. Off the space is another premium home upgrade, a secondary side door entry for direct separate access to the lower level, and the kitchen is complete with pot lighting and a center island with breakfast seating. The dining area has a walkout for access to the front and side yards, and off the foyer is a double coat closet with mirrored doors, as well as a powder room with ceramic flooring and a pedestal sink. This home also features access to the double car garage from the kitchen, has an upgraded 1-inch gas line, and includes a recreation room ready package for its unfinished lower level, central air conditioning, a heat recovery ventilation system, as well as all electrical light fixtures. To the upper level is a beautiful upgraded oak hardwood staircase, and this level is finished with broadloom throughout, features 3 family bedrooms, 2 washrooms, a laundry room, as well as a private master bedroom suite. The main 4-piece washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as an upgraded vanity with quartz counter, and the linen closet is located just outside its door. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all very spacious, with vaulted ceilings and windows with arched transoms showcased in the second and fourth bedrooms, while double closets are found in the second and third bedrooms. The laundry room has ceramic flooring and comes with brand new front-load washer and dryer, and adjacent to it is the entry into the master bedroom. This lovely private space features a walk-in closet with double doors and showcases a 5-piece ensuite washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as an upgraded vanity with quartz counter and dual undermount basins. Some of the area highlights of this long-awaited master-planned community include its access to the scenic Seaton trail system and the short driving distance to highways 401, 412, and the 407, as well as to-go transit, shopping, and places of worship. A proposed neighborhood park with splash pad would be within walking distance, while the highly anticipated Durham Live Entertainment Complex will also be minutes away by car.